The engine hums, the road unwinds, and somewhere ahead waits something worth knowing. Thousands of Himalayan springs have dried even as rainfall stayed constant because recharge slopes were built over. Springshed programs now replant exactly those slopes. Watch how vehicles negotiate space without a single word spoken. Keeping both arms loose lets the bike move beneath you instead of dragging you with it. Here is a thought while we cruise along. Raymond Stumb remembers a French general who commanded the Nizam's armies with honor. Every Hyderabad landmark we pass carries generations of stories beneath its surface. Which connects surprisingly to this: tires older than 5 years harden even with honest tread left, surrendering wet grip. If these stories traveled well with you, subscribing fuels many more.